So today I'll be showing you how to rename your AirPods Max. So by default, when you set up your AirPods, they normally pick up your iPhone's name plus the name's AirPods Max. So for instance, my iPhone's name is Chris. So these are called Chris's AirPods Max by default. So if you want to change the name of your AirPods, just go to settings. Under settings, go to your AirPods, and then at the top there you should see name. So like I said, mine is Chris's AirPods Max because my iPhone's name is Chris. So you can actually rename the AirPods Max by tapping on that and deleting that name and putting something different. And then tap on done once you're happy with the name, and then tap on the back button, and that's going to be the new name of your AirPods Max. And this name is going to even reflect in Bluetooth. So for instance, if you go to Bluetooth, you should see that the Bluetooth list also adopts the new name of your AirPods Max. So that is basically how to rename your AirPods Max. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.